Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. I'm glad to see you back. If you're new, welcome. Hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to unbox some beautiful Nike shoes with the Move to Zero box. It's good for the environment, so why not? Today is the Nike SuperRep Go 3, so let's get them out and have a look. As usual, in the Save the Planet boxes, we got no paper, no extras, and that's maybe a good thing, why not? Of course, in the box view, here we go! Wow, this looks really beautiful. A lot of design, a lot of things going on here. Let's get that off to the side. Back. Okay, so we really got some beautiful ones today. Wow, they really done it here. I gotta say, they really got some different design going on and it's stunning. And the first I feel here is how light it is. It's super light, it's extremely light. Maybe the lightest Nike shoes I've ever held in my hand. Not too much smell though, but I guess that's the Move to Zero box. It's so open, it's so breathable, so I guess the factory smell is kind of gone. That's not the worst thing in the world. I can live with that actually. Yeah, but let's have a look here. It's so beautiful. I like the white, the gray, the black here. It's so beautiful. We got the SuperRep logo on the side. We got the big, just look at that beauty. It goes all the way on the side there. The big white Nike logo is so nice. Up top we got the circle of Nike logos. Up front we got a stitched, it's stitched all the way actually. It's a stitched Nike logo too. So I gotta say, that's so beautiful. Just look at the white with the gray here, and yeah, it's really stunning. Black laces goes really well with the gray around it. On the inside it's now not too much. It's just a gray beautiful color with the black bottom. On the back side we got, of course, on both of them, the Nike logo, as we all Nike lovers think are super beautiful. On the inside you can see the Move to Zero logo. It's just black with a white Move to Zero. The bottom got SuperRep logo, Nike logo. It's kind of beautiful actually. What would I use these shoes for? Obviously it's the gym or to run with. Super light, so perfect to run with. If you ask me, this will be good for indoor running, but of course in the summer you can run outside with them too. But really beautiful gym shoes. You can't go wrong with them. These are so cool, and the good thing about it is that it's not too expensive either. It's a good price actually, so it's really a lot for the money. Beautiful design, and bear in mind it's super light, good to run with. It's not too stiff either, it's perfect for running. The perfect gym shoes actually, for a good buck, and all the design makes it looks really cool too, so you can't go wrong with it. We of course need to try it on the foot, so let's try it on the foot.